Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Netflix. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share Netflix screen. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. To share your screen on Netflix, you must have more than one screen on your subscription. Then you can share your email and password with another person. They can log into your account and add a separate profile to watch from. And that's how you share Netflix screen. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.